Gross. Oh, we're just getting into it, aren't we? This is a terrible angle.
Sorry, change it then.
This is honestly such good lighting. Like,
I know. Hold on, wait. Really just doing the most right now.
so you really like Jeffree Star, huh?
Yeah.
I just can't relate. Like, you think he's attractive?
Kinda, yeah.
I am disgusted.
You suck. I'm sorry, it just doesn't work for his whole look, you know?
Where's my charger?
What the fuck is that?
I'm gonna borrow this thing.
He's funny, though.
He is funny. Can I unplug one of these? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Look, and now it's green. Isn't that cool?
That is cool.
It's green lighting. And now it's... That is not your skin tone at all. It's good.
Obviously, that's for the highlighter part. Not like highlighter, but like the lighted part.
Okay. Are you even saying what you're doing?
So, this is my dollar store.
The little voice you put on it. Yes.
This is my dollar store foundation. It's the Maybelline.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Someone put this on this beauty blender that kind of looks like a ball sack. Oh. Don't do that.
This is what not to do.
Yeah, I'm just demonstrating the wrong things. I can't see myself. That's why I always suck at makeup, because I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just gonna get really up close and personal with you guys.
Starts falling.
What an icon. I'm such an icon.
You didn't answer this up good.
Well, I'm sorry. Your phone is so large, the pop socket just doesn't even do anything.
No, it's because you didn't eat the wrong way. What is that? I don't want to be in it. I look ugly.
I need to be able to see myself.
Stay on my foot. It wasn't nice.
The whole thing's just like bouncing with me.
Earthquake?
It's even funny, Mike.
I thought it was pretty funny. Earthquake tortilla. Who?
See, I've seen that Vine.
Oh my god. Good
No.
job.
Are you gonna edit any of this?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because there's not a lot of great content. My hair looks scary.
Okay.
You studying it?
Yeah. That's my favorite thing ever.
Why?
Emily, do you have baking stuff?
I thought you were about to say baking soda. No, I don't have any baking soda.
I thought you were gonna say baking soda the first time too.
Can you use baking soda?
For what?
For
Baking?
powdered bakes, like baking.
No, I don't think
Can
so.
you set makeup? Can you set makeup with baking soda?
I don't know. Look it up. Hey Siri.
Hey guys. Hey guys. I've got a bit of a mustache growing, not gonna lie. Terrible angle. Like, pretty much every angle's bad for me, but like, that was bad. I think the best angle for me is only my hair and forehead.
Like a dog.
Some of my eyebrows. I'm kind of proud of my eyebrows, actually.
Good job. That one time you shaved your eyebrow. How long did it take to grow back?
I don't know. Like, one day I was looking at it and I was like, oh my god, it's back.
How did you, like, hide that?
With my glasses. They were thick then.
You didn't even like try and draw one on a little bit.
No.
That's so weird. I feel like I'd like have a heart attack and die.
You barely have eyebrows. I don't think anybody would notice.
I have eyebrows.
Hmm.
They're really good eyebrows. Look at my eyebrows. They're really good.
You're only saying that because your mom tells you that all the time.
Yeah, but Emily said that too, and so did Lily.
It has a nice shape. It just it's not very visible.
Yeah.
I'm still doing the first step, fam. Okay. I have a lot of neck fat. I hate it.
Don't we all?
You know, it's like, ooh, okay, buddy, like, chill. Now, this is even cheaper somehow. And it almost always looks gross and flat.
You didn't even get it from the dollar store? What was it, like 7
I
cents?
stole this from my sister, so I don't know where it came from. And the fact that you didn't take it with her says a lot. Like, that means it's bad.
It's trash, like myself.
Tragic.
You're not trash.
Tragic.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ash, if I like fall asleep, just like put my phone next to me
Why?
so I can feel comforted by it.
You're obsessed with your phone, millennial?
Yeah.
You have a, what's the word? Mental dependence?
No. I'm mentally unstable, if that's what you're asking.
Well, I wasn't asking, but because I already know the answer.
Hello?
Hello.
I'm similar to them.
To them?
That sounds really creepy when I think about it. The camera.
Why'd you question? Like, hello?
That's always how I say hello. Hello?
See, like, it doesn't even blend, fam.
Do you see my foot? Oh my god, you can.
Oh my god, there it is.
Hey. It's me.
I wouldn't recommend watching this video, like, if you actually want to do your makeup.
I don't recommend watching it all. Emily, you're so mean.
Honestly, Emily, you just love to break my heart, don't you?
Emily. No. Okay.
My mom gets so mad when she saw that I stole this from her.
Your mom?
Yeah,
What did you take?
this powder stuff.
I can't see.
You looked at it earlier
Oh. Why'd you take it?
because I didn't have any. And I needed to do it for my special effects.
Mother. Mommy.
Stop. Don't even. I hate that.
I feel like if my child like called with his or her father daddy, I'd like have to disown him. Even if he's like 2. Like he's just like I'm like, please don't say it, please don't say it. It's just like daddy, I'm like, get the fuck out of my house. Like, you know what I'm saying?
If I ever have a kid, here's the thing. I don't want to be called father.
Father. Father.
Ash.
No. Yeah, I guess.
I want to be called dad.
But like, ironically.
I want to be called dad. But like, what if my bro wants to be called dad?
Your bro. Wow. He really does not want to be gay.
Your co-parent.
What if my co-parent wants to be dad too? And then I'm just like, okay. This is going to be so weird because we'll never know which one.
One has to be daddy. One of you is
No,
gonna have to take the
here's
blow
thing. No one
of
is
being
gonna be
daddy.
No one's gonna be daddy. No one's gonna be father. We're just
Sam,
gonna...
what do you use for your contour?
I don't really contour, bro.
You're disgusting.
Oh my god.
You got some money in here?
Don't have my money. Scoundrel.
Scoundrel.
Delinquent.
What's this?
Tits. That's an eyebrow pencil.
This is my tits.
Sounds like a song. What's this? My tits. Eye primer.
Big mood.
Did you say liar?
I said big mood.
Ash.
I said eye primer in a questioning voice.
I thought you said liar in a questioning voice.
I keep forgetting that I'm actually like recording something. Hey guys, I'm just gonna put some eye primer on real quick. Cause I don't know what it does, so.
It's so you can put
Experimenting.
it on before you put on eyeshadow.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
What's this thing here?
What is it? Show me. That's bronzer.
Bronzer.
It smells good. Smell it.
Smell it.
I feel like I'm being pressured.
Smell the fucking bronzer. Did you smell it yet?
No.
You're so forceful.
That's what she said.
Oh, it does smell good.
That's what I thought, bitch.
I wasn't questioning you. You just didn't give me the chance. I'm so hideous.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
I'm hideous, but like, I'm still better than Manny.
Yeah. Are you gonna publicly shame him
Yeah.
Publicly.
in this video?
Yes.
Are you putting this somewhere?
Hey Manny.
Please don't put me in. I don't want to be in it.
I can't even stop talking.
Yeah, it's really based on you. Where is all your eyeshadow?
I don't know. Look, you're making me talk. This is illegal.
Don't answer.
No, I'll be sad if you don't answer me.
I'm ignoring you.
You're ignoring me as you're talking to me, but okay. Emily, you still there? Emily! Emily!
Still touch me, bitch.
I forgot you're recording.
Same.
Ash, would I look weird with no eyelashes?
Anyone would.
Okay, because I pluck out my eyelashes all the time. It's not on purpose.
What does that mean?
Like, I'll feel like there's an eyelash in my eye, so I'll just start like rubbing, and then like I'll pull my eye a little bit, and then like my eyelashes will come out. Like, just a few. But I feel like eventually like there aren't gonna be any more. Do they grow back?
Yes, Mike.
I didn't know that.
Think you keep the same eyelashes your whole life?
Maybe, I don't know.
You know how many you'd have missing by this point?
I don't know. I thought it was kind of like hair.
Hair grows back.
No, but like different hair. Like I don't
Oh
know,
my
like
God, Mike.
eyelash hair.
That was more like eyelash hair. Well, yeah, it is.
Don't come at me.
I hate how you say that. Don't come. I keep forgetting to do my eyebrows.
To do your
Long-lasting eyeliner.
Are you gonna sleep in this?
You know, I didn't really think that through until literally just now. When you said it.
I'm always mean. I'm always green.
What the fuck?
What?
You're not the Grinch, Mike.
I am.
You're not.
I am. I identify as him.
Grinch pride flag.
It's just green. That's it.
It's probably something like that already, though.
No, it has like a little Christmas hat in the corner.
Oh my god, I love that.
Mm-hmm. I'm so creative.
Not really.
Yeah.
Hmm. Your viewers are getting really up close and personal with me right now. Where did the eyebrow pencil that I literally just... Oh, it's right here. I'm a funny guy.
Oh my god, Ash, like all my eyelashes are coming out right now.
Love that. I've never really understood how to do your eyebrows.
You just kind of like fill it in and then brush it out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thanks for telling me. Not as evil as you think, Mike. I'll kill your family. My skin looks flat and gross, but it's okay. This is a big moment for me right now. And I need just like 100% focus. I'm too scared. I'm losing things. What's happening? Oh, it's right here. You think Emily would wake up if I said something bad about her Fenty Beauty or something? Beauty gurus make this look so much easier than it is.
Yeah. Thanks, Ash. Wait, you are a beauty guru.
Okay.
Because we became beauty gurus at one time, so now we are one forever.
You can't back out of it. Mike, look at my eye. I'm starting to think I just shouldn't do eyeliner. This is literally my 5th time trying. Are you sleeping with your hat on? Why? Oh my god, I'm so garbage. Alright, so I think I'm done with my look. Oh my god, I look kind of good, actually. Gavin, I'm better at makeup than you, and I don't even wear it outside. Okay, we're done here.
Actually, I still have my ring.
I hate that.
We have the same size fingers, me and Emily. Isn't that cool?
I like that you specified me and Emily.
Yeah, not me and you.
I look better in the mirror than I do in the camera.
We'll turn the camera around.
You're a genius.
I know. Oh my god, that's so aesthetic.
Hey guys.
Little cactus.
I know, right? I'm kind of proud of this. I look pretty good. Alright. Do like an outro? You should do an outro.
I've never done an outro.
Yeah,
I just
I
like
noticed
end
that.
it.
What up,
Most of the time
guys?
screaming. Can you
Alright,
scream
bye.
really loud?